What is everyone? This is Prematurely, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely on your Windows 10 or 11 device. Let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is right click at the bottom to open up Task Manager, click on File, and do Run New Tasks. In here, you're going to basically type in, or you're going to do open msi.exec.exe, and you're going to do create this task with administrative privileges. Then you're going to basically press browse, and in here you're going to find wherever the Epic Games Launcher installer is. So most likely in your downloads or desktop, right? Wherever you basically have it. Once you have that, just click onto it and press open and then run the process. Once you do that, you should be good to go because it's essentially going to install it with admin privileges, and you should not have this error failing or like prematurely ending error happening any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you need to do, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please smash that like and thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, more tutorials out. Peace.